morning to one and all. We're out magnet fishing for a change. We have got the minute one there. Leo. Yeah, I'll do it for you in a minute, babe. No Riley today. And Andrew's there. We're out with a few of the Northwest magnet fishing crew over in Wigan. Just try to set this. We'll see what we can get. Been told it's been done before, so there might not be much in the video, but obviously we'll let you know. And next week we'll be out metal detecting again, so I'll catch up with that one. Let's see what we can find. I'm going to drop you down for the little legs as well. Show people. See what we can get out. Well, say it's been done before. They missed that. Well, first off a bike. Well, frame anyway. I'll pop you down for little Leo's little. Hold on, turn you around a little bit. What is it?
I'm a fishing.
Fishing lure. Nice. Very nice. Stick on top of it. Pop there, then.
I can turn you on that little one.
Dad, found it. Yeah, and a little mortar. CCTV camera.
Well, we're feeling energised now. The battery.
Oh, nice. Well, got some sort of hand grenade. Don't think it is, like. Old bit of metal. Points there. One of them German lollipop yolks. Oh well. That's nice, isn't it? Right, Leo on his CCTV. Ooh. Pair of pliers. Don't think they're going to wicked him out.
Yeah, but I'm not going to.
Bite reflector. And I love lovely. It was a lovely fishing rod till it hooked into Billy's bag. Now it's headless.
Put a spark plug with a coin. Get the old spam tin for the old fisherman. I found a pair and I don't think they're working in either. Come on, some nips. Got them in there, they're blocking them out there. I'll tell you what we'll do after it. We'll save them in there for now, I'll sort it out later.
Yeah, mine's better.
Yeah. Well, got a piece of rubbish. Nice fishing lure. Stainless steel spoon and a trap bolt. And a lovely boat coming past us there now. Look at that. Bit of scrap and some sort of connector. Don't know if that's magnetised. I got a clue.
Yeah. Are we wrapping up and all?
Oh well. Andy does it again with the old lovely find. It just can't be through here.
Nice murder weapon. Not bad at all.
Leonie's road sign.
It won't be a duck when she has shade. I found the duck plate.
Yeah.
Ah, size of that.
I know you said you to get another one to make your dad put.
Well, size of this fishing lure that Leo's just got out.
Away.
Like a shark, innit? Look at the size of that. That's lovely, that. Nice. Got gold on it. Just watch your fingers with hooks. Nice. Little headbed. Well, I think that's your one for today then, isn't it?
You've got on.
Dad. Dad.
Oh, what's that? Yeah. How good's that? Yeah, it's there. I didn't know, you said you'd had enough. Carrying on with me, you this time there, you Andrew. Battery.
Yes, magnet fishing.
And DS Magnet Fishing at side of us there, Daniel. Another fishing alert. Check his channel out. We've got Paul Magman and we've got Welsh Dragon Magnets. Alistair, he's up the bridge up there. I'll pop down up that way. Nice. About to say it. Yeah. Nice tension pull. As AJ said, that'd be a nice bite like that. Alan might come out with some idea for it. You never know. Call it a day, can have your dinner on the way home. Leo's going to have one more chuck and we are done. Been nice to meet Northwest Magnet Fishing crew. AJ, Magnet Fish we've just been talking to. Welsh Dragon Magnets, Alistair, Daniel, DS Magnet Fishing, Paul Magman, Tracy and her husband, the ones that do all the nice plaques and stuff. Didn't really find much being done before, so we've been told, but we didn't know till we got here. But we've had some nice bits out. Just left the scrap down here because Alan, who's got the little mobility scooter and that, is going to collect it all up. Bag of rubbish there. Nice few finds. And we're going to say bye. Probably see you on a metal detecting video next. That's Andrew's hand waving. And Leo's just had his last go there. Don't think he's going to pull much out. No. Catch you guys later.